Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to say this in 4 different London accents. So the first one is received pronunciation. Hello, it's John in the commentary box, and yes, probably we're going to hear full sounds here. A bottle of water. Yes, that is confirmed. He said all the sounds fully, especially the t sound. He made it there, and that's absolutely fine. Thank you, John. Okay, so let's check it again in slow-mo. Here we go.
A bottle of water.
Okay, so next we have MLE, or Multicultural London English. So in this accent, the t sound is dropped or not, and it's your choice. Okay, it's John in the commentary box here, and let's see what John does. Yes, okay, go for it, John. A bottle of water. Interesting. Yes, he dropped the T sound in bottle, so it became bottle, and it had a long sort of R sound at the end of water there. So interesting choice there, John. Thank you.
A bottle of water.
Okay, now the next one is Estuary English. So similar to MLE, where you can either drop the sounds or not. It's really up to you. So let's see what John does here. Okay, over to you, John. Thank you. A bottle of water. Well, that's an interesting choice there, John. Yes, he chose to keep the t sound in bottle, but drop it in water. His choice.
A bottle of water.
So finally, we come on to good old Cockney. So let's see what John does here. Yes, he could drop all sounds here. Let's check to see what John does. A bottle of water. Well, that's interesting. He seemed to drop all sounds there, both t sounds in water and bottle. That's very interesting, but wait. Yes, that is within the rules of Cockney, so that is allowed. Thanks, John. Well done.
A bottle of water.
Okay, and I hope you like this mini tutorial of London accents for saying a bottle of water. As you can see in British English, there are many different ways of saying this, depending on the kind of accent and your choice of how you like to say sounds. Now, I've already done videos, full tutorials on Multicultural London English, Estuary English, Received Pronunciation, and a little other video on mini tutorials of the London accents, so please check those videos out and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All I have to do now is say stay connected and see you later. Bye. Bottle of water, bottle of water, bottle of water, bottle, which one to choose? Jeez.